You wouldn't believe how much I paid for this credenza right here, you guys. Don't mind those containers over there. Those are for some DIY that I want to get done. But look at this beautiful piece of furniture, guys. I paid only $115 for this piece of furniture. I bought it from a liquidation store. And they sell like used or damaged stuff, but they're in good condition. And I'm telling you, you have to look closely to see the damage on this piece of furniture right here. What is this called? I think they call it a credenza. But you have to look real close to see the damage on this. I already took some paint and I went over it, you guys, so you can't even see it. But if you look closely at the bottom, let me get a little closer right there. You could see a little white, yeah. And then right there. And that's it. It is in good condition. I use it to store away some of my placemats. I needed extra storage, guys, and when I saw this, I said, you know what, let me get it. I get a cab and I put it in because they do not do delivery. You have to have your own vehicle to pick it up. So I get me a cab and brought it home and clean it out really nice and pack my stuff inside of it. Absolutely beautiful and functional all at the same time. I really needed this, guys, and I'm so happy I got this. I did all this little decoration here off camera, but I will definitely, as the time goes by, we'll be decorating this piece in the future, and we'll have fun decorating this credenza. I think it's called a credenza. Comment down below. I think it's called a credenza or a buffet. Yeah, I'm gonna have fun decorating this on top of this for every season. Absolutely beautiful, and it matches well with this little table right here that I've had for many years. Guys, if you haven't seen my coffee bar decorate with me video, please go ahead and watch the video to see how I achieved this beautiful fall, warm, cozy fall coffee bar right here that you're looking at. All I did was shop my home for this and purchase a few things from the Dollar Tree, like the mugs. But guys, I just wanted you to see my my new addition to my kitchen, my credenza. I am loving it. I'm loving the look of it. It goes well, like I said, with my other piece of furniture right here that I have. I am loving it. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Please comment down below, let me know what you think. Oh guys, I forget to show you this thing that I purchased the other day. I purchased this. Hold on, let me put it right here so you can see. I purchased this from TJ Maxx. It was on clearance for $12. It's a wine holder or a wine rack. Yeah, that's what it is, a wine rack. I don't know, I love wrought iron stuff. I have a few pieces of wrought iron in my kitchen. I have this one right here. I used to put my yams and bananas and stuff on it. And I have this for many, many years. It was gifted to me. And no matter what, it's like, it's not getting damaged or worn or anyway. I don't know. There's something about wrought iron pieces. They're very timeless. Very timeless. Very strong. Well made. Timeless. You could have them for years. The only thing might happen to it, it might get rusty and then you have to repaint it. But that's what painting and spray paints are for. And you already know me, how creative I get and how I love to do my DIY. So these are pieces that will be in your home for a lifetime, generations upon generations. So I love wrought iron. Some might say it might be a little bit too, what you call it, old-fashioned, but I like it. I like it. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to show you guys today. Please go ahead, like, subscribe, share my videos with your family and friends. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think of my new addition, my credenza, and my new little piece here that I purchased. Let me give you a last look. Let me give you a last look of it. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Real quick with me, just wanted to show you that you could purchase something that is damaged or used, and you could fix it and make it look good, and it could work for you. If you are on a budget and you don't want to spend too much money, definitely check out your local liquidation store or furniture outlets, and I'm telling you, you will find something for a way less than what you would pay for if of course, if you should buy it, you know, brand new and from one of those popular stores. So this is my first time buying something from like this from a liquidation store. Yeah, first time buying something. I was always the kind of person who's against it, but I said, let me try it out and see if I could fix it up, and you know. So for $115, this is what I got. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Until next time, guys, be blessed and be creative. Bye-bye.